Today I'm playing Subway Surfers. So yeah, let's just wait for the game to boot up. And then let's do some running. Yep, so let's click. Why is it so loud? Jump! Seriously? That's like the dumbest thing I'll do. Let's run again. Oh, and also, can you guys comment? Would I rather get coins or get those season hunt or word thingies? Yep, so sometimes you need to make a decision whether to get those coins or those letters. Dang it, I should have just get on the truck. What are those plus thingies? I want to get one. So see, I'm not quite good at the game. There's a letter, what is it? This is sticking up. Why did I get dizzy? There's so many coins here that I don't know what coins to pick. Yeah, I'm really missing so many of them. That's actually a close one. I almost got dizzy. Yeah, it's going so fast. It's going so fast. Oh no. Oh no, I'm gonna die. I am so gonna die. Oh no. Because they're super OP. Yep, I died. Wait, on the next Among Us tips and tricks video, I would be focusing on the tasks. So if you are terrible at Among Us tasks, like my friend, you definitely should watch those videos. This video teaches you how to do tasks, not all of them, and some tips and tricks to complete all the tasks, whether it's distributor or reactor. These tips and tricks will come in pretty handy, so make sure you go subscribe. I just want to finish the word celebrate and complete today's word hunt. Yeah, so it's like the further you run, the faster you go, until the game is totally unplayable. Because it gets harder with more vehicles generating and more obstacles, yeah. You see what I mean, right? Coin meter award. Wait. See, I don't make long videos. I couldn't see it. I don't make long videos. So I think I'm gonna end this video here. Bye-bye.